So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to add loyalty cards to your Apple Wallet. So first, you need to access your Apple Wallet on your iPhone. So after that, you will see this page. So basically, you cannot add directly any loyalty cards. So you just have to use a third-party application just like a stock card. So go to App Store and just search for the stock card, or another third-party application which is the Pass2You wallet. So in this case, I cannot see any stock card application right here because it is not available on my region. But if it's available on your end, then you could use it as your third-party application and link your loyalty cards right there. But in this case, once you open the stock card or any third-party applications just like this, so you just have to tap the add card, then either scan the barcode or just enter the card number manually or the details as well. So after adding, just tap share or add to Apple Wallet inside the application. So basically, not all cards support wallet export, but many does. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.